If you are looking for someone to help you with your programming homework or assignments, our website, Programming Homework Help, is the best choice. We can claim ourselves as the best programming homework website because we count with multiple experts with many years of experience. This way, you will be able to hire a programmer that guarantees the completion of your assignment with high quality and in a very short time. My name is Elena and I am a tutor at Programming Homework Help. To demonstrate the high quality of our programming work, in this occasion I will show you a simulation of Megamillions lottery using x86 assembly. So here we start our program to simulate a Megamillions lottery. In this case we use x86 assembly, but we also make use of structures and MASM macros. We start by giving a title to our program, in this case will be megamillions.asm. Then we select the library, in this case we will only need irwin32.inc. That is a library for the input and output functions. Then we have this macro used to print a string. We define our data section from here, where we will have our constants and some variables. Then we have this small function that defines the drawing structure with the 5 arrays of the white balls and 1 gold ball. In the next part, we can find the different messages that will be shown for the user in different situations. First, to ask the user for the numbers for the white and golden balls. Then, to tell the user the results information, like the match numbers and how much does our ticket wins. Also, an error message if necessary. Dot code indicates the start of a code segment. This is exclusive for 32 bits MASM. Now we can start our main procedure block with this proc command. We start initializing the random generator. Then we use offset to indicate that we will be using this structure to save the generated draw. Then we generate a random draw and we print the first part of the drawing results message shown above. Now we indicate that we will use the white balls array to save the next information. That will be the one generated by a random draw 5 times, because we also have a loop here. Here we have a function to print the numbers of the white balls. We load and print one of the numbers from the array, then and space, then we move to the next array value. We have a loop here in which we will repeat this process until printing all of the values. Then we can print the golden ball drawing message and load the new random number generated that was saved in the gold ball array. Then we proceed to print the number. The next 6 functions will have a similar structure and will be used to save the ball numbers given by the user. First, we start printing the prompt for the first white ball and we read the number given by the user to save it in the user draw structure. Only for the first draw, it won't be necessary to check duplicates. Then we check if the value given is valid. If this is the case, we jump to the ball function. If not, we repeat this ball process. We also have a function to get the number of matching numbers for the white balls. Next, we will compare if the user gold ball number matches with the one obtained in the random draw, indicating it with 1 or 0. We call the function printWinResult and we finish the program. Now that we finished the main process, we can continue to explain some of the functions called here. Generate draw, as the name says, generates a random draw that avoids generating duplicates. First, we save EBX on stack and we get a pointer to a structure. Again, offset indicates that we will save the 5 generated numbers in the white balls array. we will generate 70 values. First, from 0 to 69, then we add 1 to adjust it from 1 to 70. Next, we point the start of the white balls. In this loop, we will check if one of the numbers generated is repeated. If this is the case, we will go to the gen loop again. If not, we save the generated number and we advance to the next ball position, repeating this for the 5 numbers. Then we generate a number for the gold ball from 1 to 25, following a similar structure than the white balls. IsValidWhite will check each number to see if they are in range or if they are duplicated. If this is the case, we will return a 0 value. If the number is valid, it will return a value of 1. IsValidGold will do a similar thing, but in this case just checking that the number is in range because there are no other gold numbers to check if it repeats. MatchWhiteBalls function will check if the white balls given by the user match with the random generated ones. This starts setting a 0 number of matches, then we indicate that we will compare the 5 values in the arrays. The first 4 will load the user numbers, the second 4 will compare it with the random numbers generated, jumping to either the match function that increments the number of matches or the next user function that advances to the next white ball number from the user and takes us back to the loop until there are no other white balls to check. The printWinResult function will print the message that indicates the match balls. Here we print the first part of the win messages that indicates the match of white numbers, and we check if the user had the gold number or not. Then we see a section in which we will jump to a determined price message depending on how many matches we had in the white and gold numbers. We see that we have many different prices to show to the user, and we print either the win message, that includes price message and price amount, or the no win message, that prints the no win message. And here we finish the simulation of Megamillions lottery. You can trust that our programming homework help is legit. In our website you can find the reviews from many people who have hired our programming homework help services. We hope this video was useful for you. For any assistance, you can visit our website programminghomeworkhelp.com or send an email to info@programminghomeworkhelp.com. Thanks for watching.